mwaka 2026 nikiwa bado katibu mkuu wa chama cha ODM.
Akina Gladys Wanga, they are so stranded, and even what they posted just one day ago shows how they reinstated Edwin Sifuna as the Secretary General of ODM. I want to read what the ODM party posted as they asked, is the Secretary General still in office? Now, they answered below there, yes. Wamesema nini? Yes. The Secretary General remains a member of the NEC and is entitled to all rights of membership, including attending the convention. The interim orders from the political parties dispute tribunal preserve the status quo pending the hearing. The party respects these orders fully. Meanwhile, the mechanisms in Article 21 ensure party work continues without interruption while legal proceedings are respected. We believe in fairness and the rule of law. Ladies and gentlemen, before we continue, as you always do, ensure you like this video. When you like the video, you automatically support the work that I'm doing in this channel. Because sometimes you watch and you forget liking the video. So it is just a reminder. As you watch, please consider liking the video. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Now, akina Gladys Wanga wamekuwa cornered as they are asking themselves this question and answering that Edwin Sifuna is still recognized as the SG of ODM. The question that is coming into our mind, one, why was the Deputy Secretary, Catherine Omanyo, giving the NDC notice? And it is the work of the Secretary General. No wonder they came up with a scenario. Listen, Kenyans, they came up with a scenario that now it is not about the NDC. Munanipata? Lakini ile inafanyika next Friday 27th inakuwa SDC. Inamaanisha Special Delegate Convention. Munapata tofauti? So they knew the NDC that was, of course, given out as a notice by the Deputy Secretary General, Catherine Omanyo, was going to be blocked because they had planned to install the leaders they prefer. And so it's like the NDC has been postponed. Sijui kama mnanipata, Kenyans. The NDC of ODM has been postponed. If already the so-called special NDC, they are going to, the Special Delegate Convention, the SDC, they are going to have pale Jamhuri grounds hapa Nairobi. Wamesema maneno election hawaendi kuongelelea, hata iko hapo. It's not the agenda. The agenda ni kusemezana. Wajinga waliisha Kenya. I was the first person who analyzed the video here, and I told you, Oburu is in a mission. He is on a mission to postpone the NDC because the backlash they are going to face through the legal process, they might not believe. Now what happened? They feared and they knew that this was going to backfire. So for them to postpone totally, that no meeting was going to happen, they were to portray akina Sifuna, they have defeated them. But still, Sifuna is the Secretary General. They have confirmed, not me. Ndio hii, si nimewaonyesha. Si nimewaonyesha ndio hii. Si ndio hii nimewaonyesha. Hao ndio wamesema ndio hii hapa. Wameconfirm Secretary General is still in the office. Na kama ako in the office, mbona hajaambiwa atoe notice ya NDC? Sijui kwamba mnanipata. So in other words, the NDC of the Gladys Wanga and Oburu failed miserably. Failed. Now, we are waiting for the 26th on Thursday. Ni Thursday? 26th ni Thursday. Let me check. Yes. 26th. 26th in Thursday. We are waiting to see the decision by the political dispute tribunal. The political parties dispute tribunal that is going to give their verdict. Was Sifuna removed in accordance to the process and the constitution of ODM? And what was the scenario that Sifuna was being kicked out? Because if it is about singing 2-term, if it is about singing 1-term, they are also singing 2-term. A resolution that the party has not reached. Yani, sikiza, umejua kuna scenario hapa Wakenya waelewi, na kuna wengine hawataelewa kwa sababu wamebebewa akili. Kuna wengine wako ODM wamebebewa akili, wanarizoni kama watu hakuna. Wacha nikuambie. Kwa hiyo ODM tuko na watu wa 1-term, okay? The same ODM tuko na watu wa 2-term, okay? Tuko sawa? So it is a right for the 2-term people to chant 2-term all over in the party. And in fact, they are officials. Kwani kulize, Gladys Wanga ni chairperson of ODM. She's busy chanting 2-term all over. 2-term, 2-term. She is the chairperson of ODM. National chairperson. Are you getting that? Today, Sifuna is being kicked out because of him saying, yes, idea yake personally as a human being, not like a dog, like a human being. He is having his opinion. He is in 1-term. But as a Secretary General of a party, he will read and of course uphold the decision of the party. And the party had not reached into a decision that they were going 2-term or 1-term. So expelling Sifuna, Babu Owino, Caleb Amisi, Onyonka, Utosi na wengine, it is unconstitutional according to the constitution of ODM. Tell me where in the constitution of ODM that anyone who is chanting 1-term should be removed. Where? And I'm like, if Sifuna is going to be restored as a Secretary General of ODM, what next for them? Because already they told us they're going to have the so-called special delegates convention, pale Jamhuri grounds. Then later they will plan what? The NDC, National Delegate Convention. Now people like Winnie Odinga, wale walikimbia pale, wakaambiwa tunakupromise the deputy party leader. Now all of a sudden Junet na Wanga waka change tune. Na kuambia kitaeleweka na bado kitaeleweka kwa sababu wakati mwingine angalia wakina Gladys Wanga vile wanadeal na watu kwa ODM. ODM is like their property and they mean it. It is like their property and they mean it. So going forward, we are waiting for the 26th. But as we wait the 26th, already they have confirmed Edwin Sifuna is still in the office. And Sifuna must be allowed to attend, of course, to have his office duties. For example, like giving a notice for NDC, not the Deputy Secretary General. It is not the right of the Deputy Secretary General to do so. So me, I'm like, no. Kina Gladys Wanga mnajikoroga. Na hapa mbele kitakuwa heavy. Na mtaamini kwa sababu hawa vijana pia wanajaribu kufuata constitution ya ODM. Hawataki kuropokwa kwenda left right center ovyo. And that is why they respect the party. Even today they have not exited the ODM. If they were disrespecting the party today, wangekuwa wameharibu mpaka wametoka. But they are saying we are fighting within the ODM. within the ODM party. But it is a crime that akina Gladys Wanga are coming out say it is a crime. And it is a crime for some individuals to have their opinions. But it is a right for Gladys Wanga to have his opinion. Bwana, nyani haoni kundule. Watu waache kutubeba ufala. Now and then wanatubeba ufala. Wajinga. Sisi si wajinga. Wamejua Sifuna ako ni Secretary General. Lawfully. But they're busy saying that other individuals can delegate the duty of Sifuna. We are even being told they were trying even to block Sifuna in every meetings. It is them wamekuwa kiblock Sifuna. But they know in their mind Sifuna is the Secretary General. Now let us wait for the 26th.